In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google searches with ClickUp to enhance your productivity and task management. First, let's open a web browser and head over to Google. Type in ClickUp in the search bar. Just press Enter and you should see ClickUp's official website among the top search results. Go ahead and click on it to get started. Once you're on the ClickUp homepage, we'll dive right into adding a new task. Locate and click on the Add Task button, which is typically very visible on your main dashboard. This is where the magic begins, the centerpiece of your organizational strategy. Next, focus on typing in your task details. Think of this as a brief but comprehensive summary of what needs to be done. You can keep it simple, or if you prefer, add more descriptors to clarify the task further. Including keywords will make it easier for you to search and find this task later on. Now that you've written down your task details, it's time to officially create it. Look for the Create Task button and simply click on it. This step is crucial as it adds your task to the system, making it visible to you and any team members who share your workspace. Determining the priority of a task is essential to effective task management. To do this, find and click on the flag icon. This intuitive feature allows you to set the urgency of your task. You'll usually see options such as low, normal, high, and urgent. Select the one that best fits how quickly you need to get this task done, providing clarity both for you and your team. After setting the priority, the next step involves scheduling when your task needs to be completed by. Click on the calendar icon to set a due date. This visual tool helps you map out your workload and deadlines clearly. Once the calendar is open, select the specific date that aligns with your project's timeline. With everything preset, one final click on a specific due date will secure your plan. The visual arrangement makes it very straightforward to align your tasks within your existing schedule. And just like that, you're done. Once you've completed these steps, your task is created, prioritized, and scheduled. Plus, it's visible to everyone involved on your team, keeping everyone aligned. Utilizing these steps with ClickUp not only streamlines your task management, but also enhances collaborative efforts across your projects. So, whenever you're ready, try integrating these steps into your daily routine for maximum efficiency. Stay organized, prioritize effectively, and manage your time wisely with this straightforward guide. Thank you for watching, and have a productive day.